Amuyo Kadi.
It's a Pasko sa Philcom. It's the Filipino Community Center trying to share with the state of Hawaii some of the Christmas traditions that we have in the Philippines. So with making the center a gathering place, it attracts everyone here from all ethnicities in Hawaii to see what the types of things we do in the Philippines.
Ti Paskwa 2015 dito'y Philcom ket maysa nga nakaragrag sa kapasken. Ti espiritu ti kinaragsak pinonona ti aglawlaw. Manipod na dekoraran nga kakapintas a bibiste. Kinagkakaranyag nga parola. Agpapan nagtuno sa pinagaramid iti naimas alinobyan.
Diciembre, Octobre, Noviembre, Diciembre, Lubi, Lubi.
It was very good. Yeah, it's really good.
Wen tintero Paskwa iten na tirag o kental na iti tunggal maysa.
Wow! This is good!
Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year's starts. Santa's coming down. Santa's coming down. Santa's coming
I really enjoy this. I look forward to this, Pasko sa Philcom because it's something like I'm back in my hometown in the Philippines. Enjoy your life and be safe all through the years. Mabuhay.
Merry Christmas!